Welcome to another episode of What's New in Treblle 3.0. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up workspaces in Treblle. Let's get started. In Treblle 3.0, workspaces act as containers for your APIs, team members, and data points. It's the centralized space to set up and manage your APIs. Workspaces provide a high-level dashboard with analytics for all APIs. It allows you to assign roles and permissions for better access control. And it also lets you organize APIs into a single space for easier navigation. To get started, log into your Treblle account. You'll see an option to create or join a workspace. Click on it and follow the next steps. Enter a name for your workspace. Set workspace visibility. This determines who can see it. Invite team members by inviting their email addresses to the workspace and assigning roles like owner or member. Once created, your workspace is ready for APIs and for your team to contribute. After setting up your workspace, the next step is to add APIs. Go to the Workspace dashboard and click Add New API. Fill in the required fields such as API name, base URL, environment, and platform. You can also invite your team to join your workspace. Once saved, you will instantly see the complete landscape of your API. Integrating Trebble's SDK into your app is the final step to collect runtime API data. We'll talk about this more in another video. Once your APIs are added, the Workspace dashboard will show you the number of APIs in the workspace, how many requests those APIs have handled, and problems flagged for any API. This dashboard gives you a quick overview of your complete API landscape and helps you figure out what needs attention. To add and manage team members, go to People from Settings. Invite new members by entering their email and selecting their role, owner or member. Adjust permissions to control what each user can view or manage. And that's how you set up and manage workspaces in Treblle 3.0. In the next video, we will check out roles and permissions in detail. Thank you for watching and check out Treblle 3.0 on treblle.com today.